Looking to make some extra cash? In this eye-opening video, I reveal an incredible opportunity to earn $5.04 for every YouTube Shorts video you watch. Yes, you heard that right. Get paid for simply enjoying YouTube Shorts. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash or someone who loves spending time on YouTube, this is the perfect side hustle for you. Don't miss out on this easy and fun way to earn money online. Watch the video now and start monetizing your YouTube addiction today. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine getting paid for doing something you already enjoy, just by watching short YouTube videos. With the rise of YouTube Shorts, this new feature has opened up a world of possibilities for content creators and viewers alike. Not only can you create engaging short videos, but now you can also earn money while watching them. In recent years, the popularity of YouTube short videos has skyrocketed, capturing the attention of millions of viewers worldwide. These bite-sized videos, typically ranging from a few seconds to a minute in length, offer a quick and entertaining way to consume content. However, what many people may not realize is that watching YouTube short videos can also present an opportunity to earn money. With the right strategies and approach, you can make money simply by watching YouTube short videos. Platforms have emerged that allow users to earn rewards or cash by engaging with these snippets of content. One of these platforms is ShrinkMe.io. ShrinkMe is a completely free tool where you can create short links, and apart from being free, you get paid. Earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. Start making money with ShrinkMe. It's just 3 steps: create an account and create a link. Simply search for the popular YouTube Shorts, hit the share button and take the video link, and shorten it using ShrinkMe, and then post it on your different social media platforms. For every visit, you earn money. It's just that easy. The more you share, the more you earn. Also, you can refer friends to use ShrinkMe and receive 20% of their earnings for life. ShrinkMe has a low minimum payout. You can get paid via PayPal when you reach $5. Whether you're a student looking for a side hustle or someone who simply loves spending time on YouTube, this opportunity is perfect for anyone wanting to turn their screen time into cash. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.